again. You like to pretend, Nathan. Do it again. You like to do this for attention. Do it again. Do it. Do it, Nathan. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. You wake me up and cough here for nothing. Who taught you that? Hmm? Nathan, who taught you this? Hmm? Who taught you this? You do it when you want attention. Don't you don't give me enough attention. Hmm? Is that a yes? Is that a yes, Nathan?